Hi, this is Jenna from Kingston Yacht Sales, brought to you by United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. Today I'm featuring a 1994 26-foot Nimble Kodiac. Before we get started, I'll let you know that this is a 360 virtual tour. So you can use your finger if you're on a smart device, or your cursor if you're on a desktop, and drag the screen around to see different aspects of the boat. So one thing I really love about this boat is the beautiful woodwork. This boat was built in 1994, but completely rebuilt by her previous owner to a higher standard, and she is stunning. So I'll go through the different features of this cabin. So there's a sink here, a butane stove. This table here is a snack table, folds up to a snack table, but then also folds out into a full-size table with seating on both sides, which is a really nice feature. This here is also a berth, and as you can see, there's a front V-berth as well. This boat has lots of storage, so underneath both berths as well as underneath the seating here, also in cabinets, there's tons of storage on this boat. This is a really cool feature, very versatile. It's a navigation table that actually folds up into a full-size shower, which is really neat. The head is down below here. And then we have our helm over here with a Garmin chart plotter, fish finder, VHF radio, and autopilot. So I will bring you up to the cockpit now. So I'm now standing in the cockpit. As you can see, there's beautiful big windows here. The tiller steering. This is a mizzen-mast configuration with tambark sails. Up front there is anchor and anchor compartment. And as you can see back here, there's also lots of seating and tons of storage back here as well. So once again, this is a 26-foot Nimble Kodiac 1994. I'm Jenna from Kingston Yacht Sales, brought to you by United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network, and you can check us out online at www.kingstonyachtSales.com.